How you guys doing? Welcome back. We're changing things up a little bit. We're gonna start doing more customizing thing, and just started getting in the customizing type world on YouTube. I did stuff outside of YouTube. I customized my Xboxes before that, controllers, many controllers. We already did giveaways on controllers, and we have future giveaways for controllers. But we wanted to go a different route, and if you guys seen our Instagram, we started doing certain types of sneakers, and if a lot of you guys out there are in the same boat as me, where to start, where to go. So I'm going to give you a quick rundown on some things you will need. Alright, number one, you need, of course, shoes. Can't customize shoes without shoes. Sometimes when you guys see the Air Forces and stuff like that, you guys might get discouraged because they're more like $100 pair of shoes around that line. There are cheaper options from Nikes, which I'm going to also show. And if you guys aren't sure and don't want to mess up nice sneakers, you can go other routes like Walmart and places like that. And I'm going to show you guys similar type shoes. Two are from Nike and one is from Walmart, that if you specialize in that one, you can move on to the Nikes because they're very, very similar. There are different companies out there that make similar, because of course the Air Force Ones are definitely popular, along with the Vans and stuff like that. So I'll show you guys that. And also you will need a mat, or at least something to draw on that you don't mind getting messy, because you will be painting on, using glue if you're going to do that type of customization and stuff like that. And I will do further in-depth detailing instructions in the future. If you guys like that route, give us a thumbs up, subscribe and stuff like that. Also, you want to get markers, and not just any markers. I mean, you can start off with Sharpies and stuff like that, but certain Sharpies will smudge. I know on one of my shoes I did the Nike emblem on the back with a Sharpie, and when I wore pants it kind of rubbed and kind of got the whole back part red. So these will fix that. Or you want to use Angela's paint. I know that's another popular option, but I want to start up with these markers. You can get these markers as more or less as you want. If you want to get 10 pack, 20 pack, of course the price goes up. These are not the cheapest markers out there, but they definitely, if you're going to spend money on something, you definitely want to get good supplies. Alright, another thing you're going to need is a X-Acto knife. You want to get a sharp one. Alright, and you definitely want a lot of different ones, and definitely get more blade. Alright, and of course let's go to the shoe part. Alright, here we go. These are the shoes everybody's customizing, the Air Force Ones. Certain places they're very hard to get, so do your research, go online. Also make sure you get authentic ones, because there are, believe it or not, fake companies out there that are making these. Google information. There's a bunch of Google sites out there, a bunch of websites that'll tell you how to tell a fake from a real one. So if you're going that route, you definitely don't want to waste money on shoes and then find out they're fake ones, and you should have just bought the Walmart ones for that. You know what I mean? So definitely do your research. And if these are hard to get, or if you want to start out with something a little cheaper, because these are like $100 and you want to go like 70 or 80, at least a little bit, you have the Quartz, made by Nike. Also, they are very similar, except the Nike swoosh, this is around, the Nike swoosh is on the outside to where this is indented inwards, but they look very similar. So you can get a lot of the same looks with these two. If you don't look closely enough, you'll get them mistaken. If you see either one on somebody's foot, you're going to think they're all Air Force Ones. So Nike knows that everybody loves Air Force Ones or Jordans, so they make other shoes to look similar. So this is a cheaper option, and here is the Walmarts. These are the Walmarts. Now of course they're not going to have the Nike swoosh on there, but if you want to compare them, the front is very, very similar, very similar, and the backs of these two are very similar. So if you want to practice, these were only 15 bucks. So if you ruin a pair of sneakers, If you're trying to customize them and don't want to ruin a $100 pair of sneakers and want to practice, these were $15 at Walmart. Let me put the price tag there. $15 versus $90 to $100, sometimes more depending on where you go. So here's the Nike Air Force Ones, and here are the Walmarts. So my advice would be probably to get the Walmarts, because you can almost get about 4 or 5 of these to practice on, vice versa practicing on one of these. So definitely practice on these. So hope this tutorial helped. I'll go more in detail later on. This right here you can get from Walmart. The Electro knife from Walmart. The markers I got from Amazon. Of course, there's other places that you can get them. Angela's paint you can also get from Walmart. And depending on what you're doing, you're either going to need adhesive or paint or stencils. Alright? Hope you guys enjoyed this one. This is a little quicker video, so appreciate you guys. Give a thumbs up and let us know what you want to see next. Alright? Have a good one. Thank you.